Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can link tables in Airtable. So firstly open up your dashboard, then open up the base in which you want to link the tables. So as you can see now, I've created a hypothetical inventory of a toy store. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect all the three tables into one another. So firstly for contacts, I will create a table that will link to the manufacturers which are over here. So I will go to contacts, click on the plus icon, then click on link to another record, then choose manufacturers. Then I will uncheck allowing links to multiple records because my only one contact is working for only one manufacturer. But if my contact is working for multiple manufacturers, then you can leave this on. But for me, I will close it. And then I will create field. So as you can see now, I have created a field named manufacturers. Now what you can do is just simply click on the blank space, then click on the plus icon. Then link your contact to the manufacturer that you want. For me, Berry Black will go to company 4. Then Grey Green will go to company 6. And then Rosy Red will go to company 1. And Grace will go to company 5. So as you can see, I have now linked my contacts to manufacturers now. And now if you want to see the details of the manufacturer, just simply click on that. And it will show you the details of the company and the manufacturer in one single page. Now what I'm going to do is link my product page to the contact page. So I will just simply create another field and I will link to contacts. Again, I will close the multiple records option because I don't want that. Then I will create field. So now I will quickly add my contacts. So as you can see now, I have linked my product page to my contacts page. In Airtable, there is a nice feature in which it will automatically create the fields in other table as well. So I don't have to recreate the tables from scratch. So like in contacts, it created the product table, and in manufacturers, it created the contacts table. So before ending the video, let me show you one more thing. If I want to know how to find out which of your contact is working for which manufacturer, number one, you can just simply click on this and then you can see it is working for company 6, or there is one more method. Just simply click on plus I and then you can just simply search for lookup, or just scroll down and click lookup. Then choose your field right over here. Then click on create field. So it will extract all the details from the manufacturer table to your product table. Now for example, if I create another product, let's say plain. Now when I assign the contact, it will automatically show the manufacturer. So for example, I will go with Rosy Red. Now it should, So as you can see now, it automatically showed us which manufacturer is our contact working for. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.